In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a mini notebook. The only things you will need is scissors, glue, a pen, and a piece of paper. First thing you need to do is take your paper and fold it in half. Then fold in half again. Open it up and do the same on the other side. Fold it in half and half again. Now, when you open it up, you should have 4 rectangles going up and 4 going across. Cut the black lines out. After you've done that, you have to cut the first rectangle out, but not all of it. After you cut the paper,
follow as shown.
If the sides are not even, it's fine, we can cut them out later. Now you rip the first paper off and take your glue stick
And start gluing the pages together. So one page is going to be like a double page.
If you have done everything correct, then you should have 7 double pages and then 1 single page. Now, if your book is not even, take a ruler, draw a straight line, and cut it out. Now take the piece of paper that you cut off before and put it on the edge. Make sure you're putting on the edge which is stuck together, not the one that you can open. Cut it to the size you want. Put some glue on the edge and on a piece of paper. After you've done that, take a pen and draw a face on it. And now your mini booklet is done. Please like and subscribe and follow for more.